So hello students, today we have to write the short answers. First of all, you have to write here date, today's date, CW, classwork, and write the heading. Answer the following questions in short. These are short answers. So you have to write first question. Write the two types of primary memory. We had already discussed in chapter when I was explaining. Leave one line, write the answer. There are two types of primary memory. First one is RAM, which is called random access memory, ROM, which is called read only memory. Next question is, write down next question with black pen. Define 1 byte. Leave one line, then write the answer. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. You all know that 1 byte is equal to 8 bits, and it is written as symbolically like this. 1 byte equal to 8 bits. Next question is, how many megabytes are there in 1 gigabyte? You all know that. Leave one line, then write the answer. 1 gigabyte is equal to 102 megabytes, and symbolically it is represented as like this. 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB. Okay, you have to leave one line in every answer and question, and one line here you have to write the answer by leaving one line. Okay, next question is, give one characteristics of ROM. Leave one line, then answer is, characteristics of ROM are, you can only read data from ROM. We all know that हम सिर्फ read कर सकते हैं data को ROM में, because it is a permanent memory and the booting process goes on in ROM. That's why it is we can only read data from ROM. Leave one line, then write the another question. Name 3 components of CPU. You all had studied in 5th and 6th also. Leave one line, then write the answer. 3 components of CPU are arithmetic and logic unit, also known as ALU, memory unit, MU, control unit, CU. These all the answers are short answers. You have to write in CW copy. Yes class, in next page you have to write the heading, state whether the following statements are true or false. First is, write down the question. Input data is stored in RAM before it goes for actual processing. Input data RAM में जाता है actual processing होने से पहले. Yes, it is true. You have to write true. 1 MB is equal to 1024 KB. Yes, absolutely true. The primary memory is called the external memory. Is it true? No. Primary memory is called internal memory. So it is false. Compact disk is an example of secondary storage. Yes, secondary storage example. Yes, absolutely true. Bit is the largest unit of information that is used by the computer. No, all you know that bit is the smallest unit. So it is false. Pen drive is not resistant for scratches and dust. Pen drive resistant free नहीं है, false है. पेन ड्राइव में scratches और dust नहीं लगते हैं. So it is false. So these are true and false which you have to write in notebook. Write today's homework in blank page and write down question diagram of primary memories. Then draw a diagram of RAM and then ROM and write their name also, RAM and ROM.